Remember the lockdown? Stuck at home, staring at the same four walls? We all dreamt of escaping, of sandy beaches and bustling cities. We craved adventure. Now, that craving is being satisfied. Americans are packing their bags and hitting the road again. The travel bug has bitten back and it's biting hard. The pandemic may have kept us grounded, but it also ignited a fire in our souls. A yearning to explore, to connect, to experience the world once more. And we're not holding back. This isn't just a holiday. It's a release, a celebration of freedom. We're making up for lost time, and our travel budgets reflect that. We're willing to spend more to make these trips unforgettable. Remember when the latest gadget was all the rage? The newest phone, the biggest TV? Those things are fading. Now it's about collecting moments, not things. Experiences are the new luxury. We want to climb that mountain in Nepal. We want to taste authentic pasta in Rome. We want to learn to tango in Argentina. These experiences stay with us, they shape us, they're worth every penny. Travel is an investment in ourselves, in our happiness, in our understanding of the world. And Americans are ready to invest big. Remember all those canceled trips? The money saved from eating in instead of dining out? It all adds up. Many Americans found themselves with unexpected savings during the pandemic. That money isn't just sitting in the bank, it's being put to good use. It's fueling our adventures. Those savings are helping us book that dream safari or that luxurious cruise. It's a silver lining to a difficult time. We're turning lemons into lemonade, or perhaps lemons into limoncello on the Amalfi Coast. Remember the days of rushing through a city in 48 hours? Those days are fading. We want to linger longer, soak it all in. We're seeing a trend towards longer, more immersive trips. Instead of just checking off landmarks, we're taking cooking classes in Tuscany, or learning to surf in Bali. We want to connect with locals, understand their culture, and truly experience a place. And let's not forget bleisure travel. Extending that business trip to explore a new city. It's a win-win, more adventure and maybe a bit of tax write-off too. These longer trips might mean bigger budgets, but the rewards are even greater. We're coming home refreshed, rejuvenated, and with a suitcase full of stories. So yes, Americans are spending more on travel in 2025, and for good reason. We're prioritizing experiences, embracing adventure, and making memories that will last a lifetime. Happy travels.